The headlines: No bomb in suitcase, Mangaloreans breathe easy. Theft in a Vitala farmhouse. Bengal Grandmaster bags national level chess championship. And religious fervor in Manila. Panic spread all over Central Market and surrounding areas in the heart of the city in the afternoon on Monday, July 28, after a suitcase was found abandoned in the Central Market premises at about 1 p.m. But later, a certain KC Alva reported to the police that the bag belonged to him, and, much to the relief of the residents of Mangalore, no bomb was found when the suitcase was opened. The bag contained some documents, checks, and some cash. Earlier, the police were informed of the deserted baggage. The police and sniffer dogs rushed to the spot as soon as the information was conveyed to them. The sniffer dogs reportedly started barking the moment they sniffed the abandoned suitcase. Overcome by fear, the people ran helter-skelter thereafter. The suitcase was then removed from the spot and taken to Nehru Maidan. The suitcase was covered on all sides by sandbags. District Deputy Commissioner M. Maheshwar Rao, Dakshina Kannada SP Satish Kumar, Deputy SP Dharmaya and other police officers arrived at the spot and guided the operations. Curious citizens in large numbers gathered at the spot to witness the proceedings, and policemen struggled to control the crowd. Sources informed that the district police do not have their own bomb defacing squad, and hence a squad from Bangalore was called for. Police security had been strengthened in the city in the wake of serial blasts in Bangalore and Ahmedabad. Police forces had been deployed in major shopping malls and bus stands, besides an increase in the number of mobile patrols in and around the city. Police personnel were visible on busy streets and nearby bus shelters with Hoysala squads patrolling the area. Railway station and bus stands were checked with sniffer dogs by the police department soon after the news of the blast was relayed. The police had informed that all vehicles will be checked to prevent the movement of antisocial elements in the state. A huge theft was reported from a farmhouse located at Kelinja near Vittal on Sunday, July 27th. The thieves made off with jewellery worth 30 sovereigns valued at about Rs 3 lakh from a farmhouse belonging to a certain Devraj Kawa. Sources informed that Kawa was awake till late on Saturday night as he was watching a popular Kannada movie. The incident came to light early next day when Devraj's mother woke up and found the rear door wide open. The thieves also stole Rs 2,500 in cash from Devraj's wallet, which was kept on the table. Sources added that it is the first time that such a huge theft has been reported from a remote area of Kalinda village.
ಒಂದು ಸಾಧಾರಣ ದೇವರಾಜ್ ಕಾವನು 1 ಗಂಟೆವರೆಗೆ ಎಚ್ಚರಿದ್ದ. ಮತ್ತು ಸಾಧಾರಣ ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ತಿಳಿದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಸಾಧಾರಣ ಒಂದು 2:30ರಿಂದ 3:30 ಗಂಟೆ ಒಳಗೆ ನಮ್ಮಂದರೆ ದೇವರಾಜ್ ಕಾವು ಮತ್ತು ಅವನ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಮಲಗಿರುವಂಥ ಕೊಠಡಿಯಿಂದಲೇ ಮತ್ತು ಪಕ್ಕದ ಕೊಠಡಿಯಿಂದಲೇ ಅವನ ಪರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಂಥ ನಗದು ಹಣ ಹಾಗೂ ಪಕ್ಕದ ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಗಾಡ್ರೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಧಾರಣವಾಗಿ ಒಂದು 30-31 ಪೌನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಚಿನ್ನ, ಸಾಧಾರಣ ಮೌಲ್ಯ ಒಂದು 3 ಲಕ್ಷದವರೆಗೆ ಈ ಕಳ್ಳರು ಬಂದು ಕದ್ದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Vittal Sub-Inspector Umesh Uppalike visited the spot and registered a case in this regard. The police also brought a sniffer dog and fingerprint experts to work on clues in nabbing the thieves.
Tickle your taste buds with sumptuous dishes. Madhuvan's Village promises food relishes a delightful journey in taste. Experience an enchanting village ambience with cozy huts, smoke-free zone and tranquil surroundings. Village Family Restaurant is now even more inviting with added features like 4-lane concreted road right at the doorstep, ample space for car parking, more picturesque open space ideal for corporate and family parties, exceptional dining choices of Indian, Chinese, continental and ethnic delicacies. Visit Village Family Restaurant to experience a delicious blend of idyllic surroundings and mouth-watering cuisines. Madhuvan's Village, the family restaurant, Yadi, Mangalore 8422141158. Come once, you're sure to remain a regular.
The Kolkata Knight Riders could not win the IPL tournament, but Bengal surely has a reason to smile now, as Grandmaster Brawa Dibyendu from Kolkata, West Bengal, has emerged victorious at the second FIDE-rated All India Open Chess Tournament 2008, organized by South Canara District Chess Association, which concluded here in Mangalore on Saturday, July 26th. Dibyendu is the second Indian to pull off Grandmaster fame after Vishwanathan Anand. The 42-year-old became Grandmaster in the year 1991. One of his significant accomplishments is his victory over world number 2 Russian Grandmaster Viktor Korchnoi in 1982. District Commissioner M. Maheshwar Rao presented Dibyendu with the winner's trophy and thanked the organizers for conducting the tournament smoothly. Praveen Kumar C. and Prakash GB of Tamil Nadu bagged second and third places respectively. A total of 280 people participated in the tourney, including Grandmaster Praveen Tipse of Maharashtra. Chairman of Karnataka Bank and the chief guest of the function, Ananta Krishna, said that chess requires mental ability and not physical strength. People of Dakshina Kannada district have abundant mental strength, and if proper encouragement is given, the district is bound to produce a Grandmaster in the near future, he commented.
And I wish such tournaments do take place here in this beautiful city every year, and our boys and girls learn from the grandmasters like Praveen Tipse and others about the chess game.
MLC Ganesh Karnik presided over the function. Managing Trustee of Sharau Mahaganapati Temple, Sharau Raghavendra Shastri, President of Press Club Anand Shetty, Chief General Manager of Corporation Bank Narendra, Honorary President of the Chess Association and Director of Mangalore International Airport M.R. Vasudeva, and Secretary of the Association Lydia Dikuna were present on the dais. For the welfare of the devotees in particular and of the world in general, Manila Sridhama Sri Mahalakshmi Temple in the Bantwal Taluk, under the able guidance of Sri Mohandas Swamiji, has undertaken a 48-day religious program of mass worship of Lakshmi and also an observation of austerities, Varaha Mahalakshmi Vrita, aimed at appeasing this deity of riches. The ongoing programs, which were initiated on June 27, will go on for 48 days till August 15 this year. The daily rituals are undertaken between 6 a.m. and 8 a.m. during this period. Special religious procedures like Shri Lakshmi Puja, Shri Durga Namaskara, Shri Nagadevara Puja and Bala Bhojana are organized daily, and devotees are given an opportunity to conduct these procedures in their names by making payment of a fixed fee towards earning the goddess' grace. On the concluding day of this 48-day program, Mass Shri Varamahalakshmi Vrata will be observed on August 15. In this program, devotees can opt for Varamahalakshmi Vrata Puja or Asha Lakshmi Oblation. This austerity is specifically considered auspicious for the married women. This massive program is being undertaken by Sri Chakra Mahasamsthan Manila, Sri Mahalakshmi Seva Pratisthana, Sri Mahalakshmi Mahila Seva Samiti and Sri Dhama Seva Sajiti Manila jointly.
ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತೆಯರಿಗೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರದ ಬದುಕಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಥಪೂರ್ಣ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಕಲ್ಪಿಸಿಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಆ ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರಯುತವಾದಂಥ ಬದುಕಿನ ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ ಮುಂದಿನ ಪೀಳಿಗೆಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಭವಿಷ್ಯತ್ತಿಗೆ ಉಜ್ವಲ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಸದ್ಭಕ್ತರು ಬೆಳಗತ್ತ 7 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆಯ ತಾಯಂದಿರು, ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಹತ್ತಿರದ ಗ್ರಾಮದವರು, ಬೇರೆ ಊರಪರ ಊರಿನವರು ಕೂಡ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಜನಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.